What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Nokia 6 2K18 and Nokia 5 2K17. And let me tell you a few of the specifications of both the devices. The Nokia 6 2K18 model is having 4GB of RAM and it is running on Snapdragon 630 processor, while the Nokia 5 is running on Snapdragon 430 and it is having 3GB of RAM. So in this video we will be comparing both these smartphones and we will see how they perform. Now you can see there is no app running in both the devices, and let's start the stopwatch right away and start our speed test. So you can see right now we are just on our first round. I will do this speed test in 2 rounds. In the first round we will be opening these applications at the same time, and we will note the time taken by both the devices to complete the first round, and in the second round we will be having a look at the RAM management of both the devices. So right now Nokia 6 is actually moving at a faster rate and it has opened the Temple Run 2. It is moving next to the color switch now. So the Nokia 5 is still on the Temple Run 2 while Nokia 6 is actually moving very fast. You can clearly see it has opened these applications and it is now onto the Facebook, and we have also opened this application, the Temple Run 2 on Nokia 5, and we are moving to the Adobe Photoshop, and we are going to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds on Nokia 6 2K18 model, and you can see it is so fast on this device and it has already done it, and Nokia 5 is just about to start it after the Facebook, and let's see how much time does it take. And we are about to complete the first round on the Nokia 6 2K18 model. So this round is just about to end. I just skip it for a while, and next up we will just check out now the time taken by the Nokia 6 2K18 model to complete the first round, and you can see it has completed the first round in 1 minute and 23 seconds to be precise, and Nokia 5 is still on the YouTube. And let me just skip all these things so that we can actually see the time taken by these devices. So you can see it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 44 seconds. So there is a gap of almost 20 seconds in both the devices in the first round to open all these applications. Now let's move to the next round and check out the RAM management of both the devices, if they are going good or not. And let me tell you that this Nokia 6 2K18 model is actually 3GB RAM model. This is not the 4GB RAM model. In our region this has been released with 3GB. So you can see both the devices are actually going great, and it is very strange to see that Nokia 6 couldn't keep the Temple Run 2 running in the background while Nokia 5 kept it in the background, and it has completed the test in 2 minutes and 16 seconds, while Nokia 6 is just doing strange and it is opening the games again. So that was very strange to see that Nokia 6 failed in the second round, the RAM management test, and you can clearly see YouTube is also loading again. So that is very interesting to see for both the devices. So let's see the time taken, and it has also taken almost the same time in the second round of 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Actually the RAM management failed in this device so that it cannot keep these applications running in the background, while Nokia 5 amazingly it has surprised me that it kept these applications running in the background. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did then give this video a thumbs up, and until next video, bye bye and peace.